What is that smell?
Why you film me? Why you film me?
Because I want to know what
Why
smell.
you film me?
I want to
I
know.
don't tell you to film me.
I want to know what that smell is.
You still turn camera to me?
Yeah, because when you talk, they have to see
So
you.
why you come up with camera?
Because I want to know what is the smell. I cannot breathe. What kind of food
Why
is that?
try to film me?
What kind of food is
I
that?
said why try to film me?
Go away.
Why?
Stop. Go away.
See?
Tell.
Still?
Yep.
Still?
Yeah,
Still?
because you are talking. Because you are talking. Close the door.
Man.
I want to know what. Stop. Stop.
Go film outside. Go outside. If you film, go outside.
Yeah,
Go.
Yeah, I go now.
Go.
I go. Go.
Go.
Go in the kitchen.
I say go with the camera.
Yeah, but I don't have shoe on.
That's who there.
No, they're not.
Go beyond. I need private. I need to be private.
Can I drink beer outside?
I say go out.
Okay.
If you filming, you not be here.
Huh? Okay, I go out. Nigger.